Good day, grade 9. So, last time we are talking about the different kinds or classifications of quadrilateral. At isa doon, sa pinag-usapan natin ay yung mga trapezoid. So, we'll further discuss yung different types or kinds ng trapezoid. So, basically, ang trapezoid po ay merong one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. So, here, side AB is parallel with side CD. So, yung parallel sides ng trapezoid, ang tawag natin doon ay base or bases. So, ito yung parallel sides niya. So, here, ang base ng ating trapezoid are DC. Nalayusin natin. So, ang base niya ay, or yung bases niya ay DC and AB. Itong dalawang ito. Okay, yan yung base ng ating trapezoid. Then, ang tawag naman natin dun sa part kung saan non-parallel sides niya. Ang tawag naman natin doon ay legs. So, ito yung non-parallel sides ng ating trapezoid. So, here, ang non-parallel side natin is si side AD at si side CB. So, yun naman yung ating legs ng ating trapezoid na ito. Okay. Now, basically, ang trapezoid, ganyan lang siya. Okay. So, there are times na 90-degree angle, pero hindi palagi. Depende sa magiging given or illustration. So, merong special kind of trapezoid na aaralin din natin, and that is what we'll call as the isosceles trapezoid. Let me write it down muna. So, ito yung tinatawag nating isosceles trapezoid. Okay. So, here, sa isosceles trapezoid, let's say this is isosceles trapezoid. Pagyan natin ng name para hindi tayo malito. W, X, Y, Z. So, if this is isosceles trapezoid, W, X, Y, Z, identify muna natin yung bases niya. So, ang bases niya is yung parallel side. So, obviously, WX is parallel with ZY. So, yun yung base ng ating trapezoid or bases ng ating trapezoid. So, that will be WX and ZY. Okay. Dito, ito yung medyo importante. Yung legs ng isosceles trapezoid. Dahil nga isosceles siya, and the word isosceles means there are two congruent legs or there are two congruent sides. So, di ba naririnig na natin yan, isosceles triangle. Papalitan lang natin ngayon ng isosceles trapezoid. So, here, yung non-parallel sides niya o yung legs ng ating trapezoid will be congruent. So, here, WZ is congruent with XY. Or side WZ is congruent with side XY since they are the non-parallel or the legs of this trapezoid. Okay? Then, dagdagan natin, meron din tayo kasi tinatawag na base angles. Okay. So, yung base angles natin ay yung pairs po yan ha. So, here, with respect to base ZY, ang base angle niya is si angle Z and si angle Y. With respect naman to base WX, ang base angles niya ay angle W and angle X. So, tandaan, ang base angles ng isosceles trapezoid are congruent. So, that would mean measurement of angle dito angle Z is congruent to the measurement of angle Y. So, ito, congruent dito. Then, measurement of angle X is congruent to the measurement of angle W. Napagpalit ko pala. Okay? So, ito, congruent dito. Okay? Wala namang problema kung unahin mo yung W or X as long as hindi mo lang pagparisin na ang measurement of angle W is congruent with angle Z. Hindi yun congruent kasi hindi sila same base. So, dapat yung same base po ang congruent. So, here, since ito yung parallel side dito, so si angle Z is congruent to angle Y, and angle W is congruent to angle X. Now, ano naman relationship nung hindi with respect to the same base? So, anong relationship ni angle W at angle Z? Si angle W at si angle Z ay supplementary angles. So, pag inad ko yung measurement ni angle W at angle Z, dapat equal sa 180 degrees. So, let's give some example. Wait lang. Balang natin to. Yan. So, let's have this one po. Ayan. So, let's say we have isosceles trapezoid ABCD, and the congruent legs are BC and AD. If angle A is 100 degrees, nalalagyan natin lang na yan. If angle A is 100 degrees, then automatic, angle B is also 100 degrees. Bakit po? Since these are same base, so si angle A congruent kay angle B. Okay. Then, dahil alam natin na si angle A at si angle D ay supplementary, then automatically, this is 80 degrees. Since 180 minus 100 is 80, and angle C is also 80 degrees.